Thank you so much for choosing to learn with me today. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you will have been able to identify, which means find, the difference between singular and plural nouns. For this lesson, you will need your looking eyes, those listening ears, and your thinking brain. It would also be great if you had somebody to talk to and think about your learning with. Let's get started. Here are our key words which will help us learn all about our lesson today. Don't worry if you don't quite know the meaning of these words yet, because by the end of the lesson you will. Are you ready? My turn, your turn. Singular, singular. Plural, plural. Common noun, common noun. Well done, and common noun came up in our learning last time. Let's go a little bit quicker. Singular, plural, common noun. Fantastic, and I can't wait to see where those key words come up and how they help us with our learning. The first part of our learning today is exploring singular nouns. We know that common nouns name people, places, and things. We also know that because they are common nouns, they do not need a capital letter unless they are at the start of a sentence. Let's look at some examples. Man. Now, a man is a common noun because it's not naming anything specific. The man walked along the road. School, school. School is a place that we can go, but it doesn't show here its specific name, which makes it a common noun. I love teaching at school. Table, table. I am working at a table right now. Now, my table doesn't have a specific name, which means it's a common noun. Can you think of one more common noun? I'm going to count down from 5 and I want you to tell me one. Wow, I heard so many different common nouns. Well done. We also know now that proper nouns name specific people, places, and things. A different type of noun. That means that they always need a capital letter wherever they are in the sentence to show that they have a specific name. Let's look at some examples. Aisha. The name Aisha has a capital letter because it is a proper noun, a specific name of a person. Aisha loves going to school. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is a specific name of the palace where King Charles lives. Friday. Friday is a specific name of the week, or the day of the week, sorry. And so that is why they all need a capital letter, because they are proper nouns. Can you think of one more proper noun? Thinking of something that has a specific name. Maybe it's somebody in your family and their name, or a special place that you like to visit. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Well done! I heard lots of your special people who you know and places where you like to go. Now, it's time for a true or false. Can you get your thumbs up for true or your thumbs down for false? The word frog is a common noun. Remember, a common noun is a naming word for a person, place, or thing, but not a specific person, place, or thing. The word frog is a common noun. Is that true or is that false? Can you show me your thumbs up or thumbs down? Well done. That is true, because the word frog is a noun. It is the name of a thing. It is a common noun because it does not need a capital letter, because it is not the specific name of something. The frog might be named Freddy. Freddy would need a capital letter, but the word frog does not. Well done. Now, here is on to our new learning today, because common nouns can be singular or plural. There are our key words. My turn, your turn. Singular, singular, plural, plural. Well done, I told you they'd come up. The word singular sounds a bit like single. Have you ever heard of that word before? And do you know what it means? I'd like you to pause the video now and talk about whether you've heard the word single before. Pause the video and off you go. I heard some great thinking there. Well done if you thought of something. Don't worry if you didn't. Here are some examples of how the word single might be used. A single digit. That might be a number from 0 to 9, where there is only one digit in the number. A single bed, which is a bed where there is only really room for one person to sleep in. A single bed. A single parent, which means one parent. And single file. When we line up in single file, we line up one behind the other. That means that single and singular mean only one. Single means only one. Singular means only one. Well done. Now we know what singular means. Let's see how it links to our nouns. If a noun is singular, that means there is only one. So there is only one of them. For example, one car. A singular car. That means this common noun is singular. Compared to cars. To show there is more than one. The car is singular, meaning only one. Now, I would like you to try and point to the singular common nouns. Remember, singular means only one. I can see one apple. I can see lots of cupcakes. And I can see one house. Can you point to the singular common nouns? Get your pointing finger ready and off you go. Well done if you are pointing to the singular apple and the singular house. The cupcakes are not singular because there are so many of them. There is more than one, which means they are not singular. Now we are ready for our first task. I'm going to read you a list of singular nouns. Are you ready? Football. Priya. Priya is somebody's name. Leeds. Leeds is a city in England. Shop. France. Chair. I know they are all singular nouns because there is only one of them. There is one football. I play football with my friend Priya. I went to Leeds for an adventure. They are singular because there is only one of them. Your task is to sort these singular nouns into deciding whether they are common nouns or proper nouns. Remember, proper nouns have a specific name, which means they need a capital letter. I would like you to pause the video and sort the singular nouns into either common noun or proper noun. Off you go. Fantastic sorting, everybody. Let's see how you got on. Football. Football is a common noun because it hasn't got a specific name. It's just a thing. Priya is a proper noun. Well done. I know that because it is the specific name of somebody and it has a capital letter. Leeds. Leeds is also a proper noun because it is the specific name of a place, a city in England, and it has a capital letter. Shop. Shop is a common noun because there are lots and lots of different shops. It's not specific. France. France is the name of a country, a specific country, which means it needs a capital letter. And chair. Chair is a common noun. It's not a specific chair with a specific name, so it is a common noun. And remember, they are all singular because there is only one. Fantastic sorting, everybody. Well done.